Hi, my name's Tom. I'm going to talk about my new nonstick pan. My wife picked this up because we had a couple old Teflon pans where the actual Teflon was peeling off the pan and we didn't feel safe. We know we're not supposed to be using it. And we got tired of using Teflon pans because you can't use metal spatulas, you can't use metal tools. Dishwashers were kind of iffy for them sometimes. The actual surface falls off. So we went ahead and got this Hex steel hybrid pan. We kind of took a chance on it. We really weren't sure if it was going to work for being non-stick because hey, it's a steel pan. Things stick to steel pans. This is different. We've had it for about a week now. We both used it for various meals here and there, and it's really pretty amazing. So let me just explain first of all, real quick. This is the 11-inch version. I think it's a 10, 11, and 12 right now. It's a quality metal steel pan. It is about 2 pounds or so, so it is heavy enough to clonk somebody on the head, but it's light enough that you can still go ahead and cook with it. The next thing you got to know about this is the surface of the pan itself has bumps. Hundreds, thousands of little tiny steel bumps. Watch this. As you run your hand over it, you can feel the bumps. It's not a smooth surface. This is smooth right here, but this has lots of little steel bumps. When you go ahead and you do use oil or butter with this, when you put a little bit of fat in here to go ahead and melt and to lubricate it, that makes it pretty much non-stick. It's kind of amazing and it's kind of weird at the same time. Also, by the way, the back has a whole bunch of little dots and rings as well. This actually helps to distribute the heat. And yes, you can use this on any kind of a stove top possible, convection, electric, gas, whatever else you have. This will work perfectly. It holds up well. It even, because it's all metal, it will even work in the oven up to, I think, 500 degrees. With Teflon, you never want to do that. You never want to get that high, but you can do that with this. Also, by the way, dishwasher safe, easy to hand scrub, everything comes off. Do what you want. This is one heck of a cool pan. So I'm going to go ahead and cook an egg in this and just going to show you how it works. It's really pretty amazing. Here's my pan. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the heat. I'm going to put it up to about medium high. That's about a 6 out of 10 for me. And I'm going to let it sit there and warm up a little bit. While it's heating up, I am going to use my metal. You can feel it there. That's all metal. I'm going to stick with my metal spatula this time, just so you know I can use it. Normally with Teflon, again, I'd probably have to use plastic or wood, but with this, I can use metal, which is real nice. Okay, I'm going to put a little pat of butter in there. Let it melt. As you can see, it gets hot very quickly. It's real good, nice and even. The handle, by the way, is a beautiful handle. It feels great, does not get hot at all. So there we go. I'm even going to spread the butter around a little bit. Okay, probably wasn't quite hot enough, but that's okay. We'll let it go. Again, I'm going to use my spatula. It looks like it's going to stick. It really does. They say, oh, gee, it looks a little lumpy over there. But with the metal and the butter, it's just amazing. It's completely non-stick. It really is pretty clever. There we go. And now when we're done, we just slide it right off. Put it to the side, turn off the stove, and there we are. All we do is let it cool, and then we go ahead and clean up. Clean up is real nice and easy. Just a little soap and water if you want. Just do with just use a plastic scrubby, a little sponge. Cleans up just fine. But again, it is dishwasher safe if you want. So there you go. This is about what it looks like, by the way, after it's been used. It's still a little bit warm. The key with this whole pan, you can still burn stuff in here. Obviously, if you put something sugary in here or you put something in, you don't have any water, it just sits and sears into it. Obviously, yes, you can burn stuff. You can do the same thing with a regular nonstick pan with Teflon. But the key with this is actually just knowing how to use your oils and fats. All you do is just sprinkle a little bit in there. You don't need much, just enough to just cover the surface. They'll add some flavor. It'll add some lubrication, basically. And with that lubrication, it's then non-stick. It really is pretty amazing how easily things slide across, how easy it is to clean up. As long as you know how to use it like any other pan, just use a little bit of oils or fats or something to get it going, and you're fine. Again, with Teflon, you're really not supposed to use any of that. But with this, you can use anything you want. and it works really well. We've had, again, nothing but good luck with this pan. We've, again, used it for about a week. It's still looking pretty brand new, actually. Once I scrub out all the oil, we'll be good to go. But yeah, I highly recommend these things. I hope they make more and different types. Right now, you only have the, I guess, 10, 11, and 12 inch. This is the 11, so this is kind of right in the middle. But yeah, I highly recommend these things. If you're a cook and you're looking for something that's like, that's outside the Teflon range, but you still want nonstick and you still want this kind of a hex laser etch pattern, hey, this is a great brand. Go for it. I got it on Amazon. I can't recommend it enough.